hardware has gotten so good between most of these companies that it comes down to software. It comes down to who can make it run the smoothest, who can make it the fastest, who can make it so that I can get functions that I need to happen now, who can make it so that when I click that shutter button, the photo is taken right away. That's kind of the race of things right now. Who can provide the best quality? Who can provide the best resolution? Who can provide the natural depth of field? Who can provide these functions in such an easy way that everybody benefits, everybody gets access to it, and not everybody has to be an expert in these things? If you think about it, as mad and as annoyed as people get with companies like Apple because, they want all these extra features, they want all these things to work, and, some of these devices that have the really great cameras and really great hardware, but they have simple UI, simple design software, is that people don't want to have to tinker with it. People don't want to have to go into the software and make all these adjustments. And so that's where Samsung comes into play, and that's where other companies come into play that let you adjust things, and there's good lock, and there's all these options. But that's what I love about technology. That's what I love about doing what I do and getting to kind of look into and explore the different companies. A feature, people were buying these things because they could pair them and they could, walk away, walk around, they could be on the phone. Commercials with Motorola with the single ear, people, buying, the people buying LG tone products. Apple removed it. You had people that were buying these that were using radio frequencies so they could use it and plug it into their TV. I recall people plugging these into record players to listen to their vinyl. And, wireless controllers and wireless technology has existed for many, many years. I mean, Wi-Fi, that technology existed before internet. That technology existed many years ago. And so when we think about stuff that's being done, it's because these companies know their market and they know the consumer.